Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. We are making a delicious banana nut bread. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start by sifting some of our dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix all of our other ingredients. We'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 1½ cups of white sugar, and ½ cup of brown sugar. And let's cream the butter and sugar together. Let's mix in 2 cups of overripe bananas and just mash them up, but leave them a little chunky. And let's just mix this in. And that looks great. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix those ingredients in. Add and mix in 4 eggs. Let's get these mixed in really well. And this is already smelling really good. Not even baked yet. Now let's get this poured over into our dry ingredients. Now let's go ahead and get this mixed together. We have 1 more ingredient to add, 1 cup and a half of walnuts. Let's mix. This is the last mix. So let's work those walnuts in this batter. There's nothing like a nice warm banana bread, especially early in the morning with your coffee. Let's get this in a loaf pan. We've got the banana bread batter. We're gonna pour this over into a loaf pan. My loaf pan is 9½ by 5 inches and 2½ inches deep. I have the oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a very large loaf, so I let it bake on the bottom rack for 1.5 hours and on the top rack for 30 minutes. You will need to adjust the time depending on the size of the pan that you're using. To test doneness, insert a toothpick or wooden skewer. Once it comes out clean, your banana bread is done. Remove from the oven and set on a rack to cool for 30 minutes and enjoy. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.